Today is the day I'm gonna freestyle and go through a list of parts which represents the build that my car's gonna undergo. So I'm dropping it off at PM Auto Works. They are in San Jose. The shop owner's name is Peter Bond, and we put together a list of parts. Primarily I kind of picked and choose and ran it by him and try to see if this would be a good build, and this is gonna be it. So we're gonna walk through. As you can see here, we are gonna be going with forged internals. So starting out, we got the Eagle 4340 forged H-beam connecting rods. We have the Y-scope pistons. These are 99.5 millimeter bore and an 8:9:1 compression ratio. So we're gonna have to bore things out in the engine and make these work, but it's gonna be cool, and that's what the guy's comfortable with. So obviously we got all the parts needed that go with that. It's a good quality set. Additionally, we're gonna be going with Injector Dynamics 1300 cc injectors. I'm currently running the 1000 cc's, which have been great, but the goal here is to get over 400 HP at the wheels. And with that, I also have the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit to help us get there as well and run E85. No build is going to be complete without also taking care of your timing belt. I haven't done it, I'm still running the stock setup. So we've got these Conti belt kit, the thermostat and OEM version of that, street belt street race timing belt guide, and the water pump from Gates. I know there's a lot of debate on this, but a lot of it from research I saw had to do with the gasket. So I checked the gasket, the guys at the shop did, and it looks pretty sturdy, so we're gonna try it out. Kind of a side note is we're gonna maybe check my rear brakes for my last track day.